Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get Fence's stash in Stalker 2. This particular stash is found at the sphere point of interest, located in the Lesser Zone. You'll find it southeast of your main base. Keep in mind that the game might call this stash by a different name, like Secure Stash or Unknown Stalker Stash, but the location and contents remain the same. When you first approach the sphere, head towards its main gate. Be prepared for combat, as this area is often guarded by several hostile enemies. After clearing the immediate threats, you might notice the stash icon pointing downwards, but don't try to enter the main sphere complex to find it. The actual entrance is elsewhere. To find the true path to the stash, exit the sphere complex using the main entrance. Then, turn right and walk along the outer edge of the complex. As you follow the perimeter, keep an eye out for a hidden tunnel. This tunnel is distinctive as it's filled with a noticeable yellow sludge. Once inside the tunnel, carefully walk along its edges to avoid any hazardous anomalies. Continue moving forward until you reach the very end. There, you will discover a backpack, which is Fence's stash. This valuable find often contains a high-capacity AK-M74 magazine, along with other helpful supplies for your journey.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.